25 habits that will help you get ahead in life. Hello everyone and welcome back to my success series. Just a quick reminder to please like, share, and if you are still in the group of people who watch my videos but haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. YouTube's algorithm can be very annoying at times, and if you enjoy the content, please help my community grow. In today's video, I'll give you a short and sweet list of habits which I believe are crucial for everyone looking to get anywhere in life. And since our last few videos were on the longer side, we're going to keep it short and to the point today. Let's dive in. Number 1. Always plan your next day from the night before to avoid missing important details and rushing to do things last minute. Number 2. Go to bed early. I go to bed 10 o'clock, latest 10:30. Number 3. Open the window for 10 minutes before going to bed to let some fresh air in. This is crucial for getting a good night's rest. Number 4. Turn off your mobile device at least 1 hour before bedtime. Digital devices stimulate brain activity too much and decrease your rest quality if you don't turn them off early enough. Number 5. Keep your mobile devices out of the bedroom. I want to get the most out of my sleep. No annoying beeping is allowed in my bedroom. Number 6. Don't drink any liquids, including water, past 7 p.m. Number 7. The same goes for food. Don't eat anything past 7 p.m. You want your body to be as relaxed as possible before going to bed. Number 8. Start your days early. 5, latest 5:30 a.m. This is vital for me, but I found that starting early helps me feel like I'm ahead of schedule throughout the day. It helps me avoid stress and keeps me energized. 7 hours sleep is good enough for everyone. Some people may wish to rest for 8 hours, may need 8 hours, but don't go over that. Number 9. Open the window and let some fresh air after waking up. Number 10. Begin your day with a glass of water. I drink 1 liter canned water. Hydration is absolutely vital, and you definitely want to drink water first thing in the morning, and no coffee can replace water. If you wish to find out more about canned water, get in touch with me as you need a sponsor. Number 11. Get some exercise into your morning routine. Stretch, do a light workout or go for a walk. Get your blood flowing. Number 12. Spend a moment on breathing exercises. I do 5 minutes of deep breathing. Breathing properly will do wonders on your concentration and your overall health and well-being. Number 13. Read for a bit before you plunge into your busy day. I try to have at least 5 reading sessions per week, 1 hour per day. Reading helps you learn new things, but more importantly, it helps you keep things in perspective. It reminds you that your worries are not as scary as they seem and that your dreams are definitely achievable. Number 14. Have a healthy smoothie early in the morning. This is up to personal preference, really, but I find that healthy smoothies really helps me kick things off on a good note. Number 15. Only check your email after you are ready to start your day and in the afternoon. I try to only do it twice per day. Some people can spend hours on reading through their emails and coming up with replies. Don't let this happen to you. A few minutes is more than enough. Your time is better spent on more productive things. 16. The same goes for your phone. Check your phone after you've done with your morning routine. I try only to do it up to 3 times per day. It helps me avoid wasting time on social media or other apps and stay focused on what really matters. Number 17. Spend some time outside every day. A bit of fresh air and a walk do wonders for your health and productivity. Try to spend a 30-minute walk every day. This is especially important now when most people work from home. Number 18. If possible, use a high desk for work. This will help you keep your posture in check and improve your overall health by time. 19. Try to help people and share what you know. Others won't steal your success. So don't just keep everything you learned for yourself. Besides, knowledge is only really valuable if you share it with others. 20. Be kind and understanding. Everyone has days where nothing goes according to plan. 21. Don't spend money on unnecessary things. Save it instead. Learn to budget. Build up an emergency fund in case something unexpected happens. If you're just getting started with this idea, aim to save enough money for at least 3 months worth of expenses. 22. Invest in your future. Learn how the stock market works. Read about the different investing strategies. I recommend long-term investing for beginners because it's the safest approach and also my favorite. I have a couple of books that can help you get started. Index funds, individual funds, crypto, properties. Set some time aside and learn about it. It's not as difficult as it sounds, I promise you. Remember that money loses value with time, but assets don't. Buy assets. 23. Spend time with your loved ones, especially during difficult periods, like what happened during last year. Communicating with your partner and children is vital. 24. Talk with your family at least 3 times per week. No matter how busy or tiring your week was, always try to find some time for your relatives. You may not live with them anymore, but that doesn't make them any less important. 25. Spend time with your friends every week, or at least call or text them if you are too busy. Sending a quick message barely takes any time or effort and goes a long way towards maintaining your friendships. Don't only call them when you are going through a rough patch and need support. Share the good moments with them as well. And thank you for being with me. And because you stay with me till then, I'll give you a bonus tip. Always take a moment to reflect on your day before going to bed. A quick prayer or meditation before bed will help you clear your head and learn from the things that happen during the day. I pray every night before I go to bed. And in the morning, when I wake up, first things, I do pray because I'm grateful for everything what's happened during the day, I'm grateful for what I have, so I need to say thank you. And that about wraps it up, folks. This video was a lot shorter than usual, but I hope you still found it interesting and maybe even learned some new things. As always, I want to say thank you all for being with me here today, and please don't forget to like, comment and share the video with your friends if you enjoyed. So once again, thank you all for watching, and till next time, stay green and motivated.